Hello, what's up? Welcome back to another video of the Newtonian hoop. In this episode, we will learn about what is work. In physics, work is the transfer of energy that occurs when a force causes an object to move a certain distance. We also have some real-life applications, like pushing objects. When you push a box, open a door, or pull a suitcase, you apply a force over a distance, so you are doing mechanical work. Lifting weights. When you lift a dumbbell or a box off the ground, your muscles apply an upward force against gravity. That's work against the gravitational force. Climbing stairs. Every step you take upward means you're doing work against gravity. Also, we have some interesting facts about work. No motion is equal to no work. Even if you're pushing a wall, like in this image, with all your strength, no work is done, because the wall doesn't move, even though you try as much as you can, because the wall isn't moving. Also, work can be positive or negative. It is positive when force and motion are in the same direction, like pushing a car forward, and it can be negative when force and motion are opposite, like friction slowing down an object, like in this example. Now in here we have the work formula, which is work equal force times distance times angle. W stands for work, which is measured in joules. F stands for force, which is measured in newtons. D stands for distance, which is measured in meters. And D stands for angle. This represents the force, the angle between the force and the direction of motion. So, here we have one example. If you push a box straight across the floor with a constant force of 10 newtons per 2 meters, what's the total work? So, according to the formula, force is equal 10 times 2 meters of distance times 0, because in this exercise we have no angle. The result is 20 joules of work. So here we have another example, which states a person applies a force of 50 newtons to push a box, and the box moves 3 meters horizontally. The work done on the box is 120 joules. Find the angle between the force and the direction of motion. So, as we can see, in this exercise we need to look for the angle. The work is already given. So, in this case, we need to rearrange the formula for angle, for isolating the angle. So, to rearrange the formula, we need to first look at the angle, at the value of the angle. We can see that distance and force is multiplying. So, when we pass these letters to the other side, the operation changes. So if these places are multiplying, they pass to the other side to divide the work. So here we have the result. So now we place the values. 120 joules is the work, 50 newtons is the force, and 3 meters of distance. So then we have 120 joules. We multiply 50 times 3, which is 150. And then we divide this, which is equal 0.8. Now, since we're looking for the angle, we need to put this in the calculator. And the result that it gives this operation is 36.87, which rounds to 37. And that's the final answer.